Hi, my name is Julie. I am a mom of 3 boys. I enlisted Closet Company to help me out with my laundry room, which is also a multi-purpose room for me if I needed toy storage and other areas for like my laundry items. So let me give you a quick tour. Here I have my whole like gift wrapping station, which is great. Then here my kids really love Legos, so I have lots of Legos and puzzles in this closet. Here I have this awesome little small ironing board they hid for me. And then here just kind of stores another large ironing board, my vacuum put away. Here I can hang my clothes to dry and clothes that need to be ironed. I have all these great laundry baskets here so I can sort my clothes easily. And then let me take you over here to like my laundry area. I have these great little hooks that I might hang up my swimsuits, any other little small items that need to be air dried. And then I have all this great storage here to store toilet paper, paper towels, and then all my extra like cleaning supplies. And that's the tour of my laundry room. Hope you enjoyed it.